Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can reuse this coconut shell. So I'm going to use this shell for planting my aloe vera. So let's see. I was cracking the coconut and fortunately it was cut in half. So it's looking very beautiful. So I'm going to furbish this. So I'm using this. I will rub it to make it clean and more beautiful. So I'm rubbing this. Now I'm going to take some garden soil. If you don't have garden soil, you can use cocoa peat or you can purchase it online. Ready-made soil mixture is available. So I will remove the stones and you can see the soil is very good. It is having some pure soil and some sand is also there, so it's in a good proportion. I will fill it. And I having this beautiful aloe vera, so I'm going to plant this in this and I will make a space here, and after that I'm going to plant it. And press it so that root its root gets fitted properly. So my plant is ready with the pot. So I hope guys you like these videos and technique how. So I hope you like these videos. So don't forget to like, share and comment. So you can ask any questions here on my channel by commenting.